What's up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the rear bumper build for this Jeep Commander. So this is the template that I built in part 1 of this build. What I'm gonna do first is take these frame mounts that I made, get these marked up on 1/4 inch steel and get them cut out. So now that the frame mounts are all cut out, next I need to drill my holes through here and right there as well. That way I can mark where the holes are going to be on the actual mount, get it mounted, and then start the rest of the bumper. Now that all of the holes have been drilled, I can go ahead and mark them onto the frame mounts. So I just marked this line here where this is going to line up. So this corner is going to meet up with this corner here. So these both are identical. The lines that I marked here also match up on each side. So on the design for the bumper, this is the back plate right here, and then this is the corner that curves in. What I'm gonna do is add this piece and this piece and this piece, and then these two but flipped onto this entire piece of metal. That way we can bend it into shape instead of having to cut smaller pieces, and weld them all together. I've already cleaned up these lines here, cut them out, that way I can bend it into shape. Now that the face of the bumper is basically done and these corners match up real nice, I'm going to go in and completely weld it to the frame mounts. So now that the mounts are fully welded in, I'm going to start working on this side, get this cut out, weld it on, work on filling up this corner here, and then the rest of the center, and this corner too. This one's a tough little fucking. There we go. Sorry. Well guys, that is the end of the build series for the Jeep Commander off-road rear bumper with a tire carrier and gas can carrier. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't yet, check out the online store. I have t-shirts, hoodies, and stickers for sale. Up next, we have this cool little Suzuki Samurai getting a winch bumper. Thank you guys so much again for watching these videos. See you next time.